All right, these are all my credentials. Y'all know exactly how we do everything, y'all. Exactly, YouTube. These are all my credentials. You don't gotta see all that stuff. Every video is a new client of mine because I have a mentorship, as y'all know. Every single video, I do the same thing every single time. Going over to my Instagram, 10.6. I swear yesterday we were at just across 10. So that means this stuff is growing. It's growing. A lot of clients making money, a lot of people profitable. Just go down and look at all my reels. You can see all my reels with everybody, all my clients. If you want the mentorship, come on over here. But yeah, I'm not no salesman or anything. If you don't want the help, don't get the help. If you do, join all my clients that you see. Let's break a chart down and then I'm gonna have another video ready for y'all. So let's break down this GJ chart. So let me clear all this out and go to the daily. So on the daily, we already knew that we were in complete buys. And GJ is always buying. But I needed to know where the support was gonna be at. So when I seen support was made over here, let's take all this on. Keep that on there. Go down to my 4 hour. I instantly said, okay, well, we're already tapped in right here. This is where we're took off for the buy. So now I need to wait for more structure so I can see support. Well, you see support right here because we created not one, two, three, but four areas of a buy opportunity all right here. So I said, okay, for it right here in this area, I'm just going to be waiting for it to come down. And this is already a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Well, these are just like staying the same. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So I would rather be in a higher low before we take off for the buy. And since we're already buying, I'm only going to buy on support. And let's just see, where is this number? Because you're going to say, where exactly are you buying? 200. Take this box off, go straight over, and there you go. And like I said, if you want mentorship, first go through all my YouTube videos because I only want serious people and people that are ready and people that actually want to make a change. It's not cheap. Go ahead and put that out there. Just go ahead and DM me, message me, let me know what you're trying to do. And yeah, and go.
Yep, yep.
All right. This is something I was doing with somebody earlier. Let me clear all this. So we're just gonna zoom in. We're gonna go to the daily. No, 4 hour. Because I know
I got
that.
another question. Where do you get that tool, the square tool, like that tool you're just using right now? I don't have that on my trading view. There's no square or
Right.
rectangle. Yeah, that shape's not there on mine.
Shit, I don't know what to tell you. I'm using it just like you. Like
Dang,
gotta
bro, that's
have it.
weird.
Let
That's hella weird. 'Cause I was looking for it too. I'm like, bro, I don't have that rectangle. That's hella weird.
me clear all this off. All right, so the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing changes from when you go to the 30 minute to the 4 hour, the daily. I could have did this on the daily, but it would have make this more simpler. So we're wick to wick. Maybe it's a little bit more. I want you to see that nothing changes. So if you go to the hour, you're still in the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
The 30 minute, you're still in the same thing. If you go to the 15, you're still in the same thing. You're just getting more detail on what that big candle was. So you see right here is two big candles.
Mm-hmm.
So if we break these candles down, what do you get? You get the 30 minute where you just see more candles. What made each candle? Then you get the 15 and you say all these put together made that one big. So nothing changes. So if you're going to take, like you were saying, if you said, if I take a buy right here on the 4 hour and I take a buy right there on the 30, it's going to be the same spot. You see that
Gotcha.
wick,
Yeah.
it's the same spot. So you could take that buy. I would even suggest that on the you can on the hourly, the higher the time frame, the stronger it gets. So on the out, you can't go wrong with going up. The stronger you can't go. That just that the daily is what the banks are playing with. They're not playing with the 15 minute, the 5 minute. This is what
Hmm.
that's this they bread and I would even say the weekly that's their bread and butter. This is their game.
Hmm.
So the higher the time frame, the stronger it is because that price was meant to be there for that day, nothing else, but meant to be there.
Yeah.
So if you put your buy right here, whether this be on the daily, 4 hour, weekly, no matter where it's at, it's gonna be the same spot. We're on the daily now, look, same spot. So if you want to take your trade, the only thing is I don't take my trade on the daily and forward because it might take a while for you to get in profit. Because whatever,
Mhm.
however high you are, if you're on the 4 hour, you wait 4 hours for your trade to play out. If you're on the
Hmm.
hour, you're gonna have to wait an hour for your trade to play out.
Okay, so that's what it means. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Got you.
If you go to 30 minute, you're gonna wait for that 130 hour, 30 hour. You know what I mean? You're just waiting. So that's why I do the 30 minute.
Hmm.
Just that's how I feel. 30 minute. I don't need 15. You scalping and then you getting lost in this. Look, it's what 15 minute bring you. Headache. You have all these candles.
Hmm.
You're gonna be in there doing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. When you can get a lot cleaner and just say, oh, I ain't gonna take no trade on these random little 1, 2, 3 candles. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. So when you're on the 30 minute, you'll wait 30, you won't, it's like you're on the sale for 30 minutes. You won't touch it or close out for
Mm-mm.
30 minutes. And
No.
then
Well, it could go straight in profit or I gotta wait. That I can't control.
got you. Okay. 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 Because I think like on like yesterday when the sale was going down for NAS 100, I could have stayed in it probably a little longer, but I just seen the profits or whatever and pulled out. Like, but it could have stayed in there longer. So that's why I'm asking, like, should I wait at the 30 minutes, full 30, or like, but like you said, you don't know like if how long
Nope.
the profit's gonna
So,
be.
all right, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this. If you were in Vegas and you're gambling roulette and you're winning, can me or you tell each other when to get off the table?
Nah.
You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
I got you. I got you for sure.
So you can hold it if you want. You can stay at the
Got
table if you want.
got you. Got you.
You can only choose when to pull out on you.
Got you. Got you. Yep. 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 But yeah, like I was actually hyped though when I seen that yesterday though when I made that 350 or whatever. I'm just like, bro, I literally just made that shit in like less than 10 minutes, bro. Like, and if I did that daily, just a couple hundred daily, like, bro, I can easily quit my job type shit, bro. Because that's what I'm thinking right now, bro. Because dog, I got dreams right now, bro. Like I'm trying to figure this shit out, dog. Like there is money out here, dog. Like I should have been on this, bro. Like I appreciate you, Anthony. Straight up, dog.
You're making money, that's all that matters. So you can obviously see how you could have made that in profit. And you just
Hmm.
like, oh, I could just go to the bank. That's how I felt on my first trade. Like when I started making money, I was like, nah, like, cause it's on my phone. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
It's just
Hmm.
numbers, but I ain't seen it in paper. So when I
Hmm.
went to the bank and I pulled it out,
Hmm. Game over. Game over. You know,
man,
how
like
I'm
I'm
feeling, bro.
looking,
That's a demo account. So I'm like, bro, when it's the real thing, like I'm gonna keep messing with that demo, of course. But like, nah, bro. When
when I
it
tell
gets to
you I had
the
to
real
look,
one, bro.
I was looking back, like I'm holding my little man. I think everybody after me. I'm getting
Yeah,
in the
for
car.
sure.
I gotta get till I get to the house.
So one more question too on the NT4. Like I don't plan on trading on it yet, but where I didn't see that I didn't see the NAS 100 on there either. Like I couldn't find it.
On MT4, on MT4,
Yeah.
I'm on MT4 right now. Hold on.
Like where I go to search for the whatever, it didn't pop up for me.
Are you taking your trades on MT4? Or are you taking your trade? Oh, because you're
No.
taking your trades on
plus
Plus
500.
500. That's where you have to take your trades.
I
Um,
know for now, but I'm just saying in the future, like when
oh,
I
for
start,
a live trade.
yeah, like when I get on the real stuff, like
Oh, it'll be on the same platform. They don't just have demo. They have live.
okay, okay. But what if I want to do it from my phone though? That's what I was
You
saying
can.
though. 'Cause I don't see it. I didn't see it on there.
Oh, well, let me see then. Type in NQ 100. That's how. Can you see? Am I tripping?
NQ. Is that a number sign NQ?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me try that one. NQ 100. Yeah, I got nothing on mine, bro.
When you press trade, hold on, let me see.
So like you said, go to trade.
Go to your settings so I can see the top
So this is the settings.
meta, trader demo. Oh, okay. So, okay. Okay. I know what you're doing. Okay. So when you're in settings, go to new account
All right, new account.
and then go to fresh Forex.
What says open demo? Oh, I haven't made an account. That's why. Because I have a thing that says open demo account, and then there's log into an existing account.
No, you just open a demo account. And then when you open a demo account, you should type in fresh Forex. And I think it might either have live or demo next to it.
No, that didn't pop up. This what it shows when I went to the.
Ish. At the enter. Why is yours not coming up, man? Are you on? Is that MT4?
Yeah.
That Fred, I'm literally looking at it. Fresh.
So look, I went to new
Oh,
account, and this is what it pops up.
go to the. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Let me see. Let me open something. Fresh. Look, it's popping up on mine. I just typed in fresh.
It's not
Look,
working.
look,
Demo
look,
account.
look. I'm gonna back out.
Oh, fresh forex. Okay, it popped up. It popped up. It popped up.
I was like, man, look,
I typed in fresh forex. It didn't pop up. Okay, so then I just got to register it, and then okay.
and then you should have a fresh account, and then there should be a button on the right top side where it says plus, and then you could just type in NQ100 for demo.
Hold on. Okay. Register,
Don't think too much into the register. You could just press like okay.
and then
Yeah, just press done and then flip it so I can see. And then that top right corner, that plus, and just type in NQ100.
all right, just gave me this though.
Hit that bar, that blue button, and there should be a plus sign next to NQ.
All right, got it. And then
NQ is just abbreviated for NASDAQ. It's just NASDAQ 100.
if I went to trade, okay, and then like this is the screen right here, right?
Yep. Yep.
And then this one right, this is right here is where I put the money at, right?
Yep.
Or
Yep.
so right now it says 20, that's $20, right?
Yep. So if you,
Got you.
yeah, it'll be 24, whatever pips going up or down.
Got you. All right, cool. I don't plan on using this yet, but I just wanted to get it on here just to already have it. Cool. All right.
What else you got? What else you got? Is that it?
Mm, yeah, I think that's it right now. But right now, you said we're still on, because like, how long do you like swipe for you personally, like if you do you try to make like multiple trades a day
You
or
know,
just go for that one sell and then you're boom, you're out type of thing?
man.
Not to get too personal, like
No,
I
no, yeah, because I gotta get my own mindset of what am I doing. If I'm in a cell right here and I'm in
hmm
a cell and I cashed out all the way down here and I was in this trade for the day or for 2 days, I don't need
hmm
to trade for the week, man. You know how much money? I mean, 6,000, 7,000. Well, my
hmm
thing is, I pay bills and taxes, and I gotta separate like the money I make, and I gotta put a little piece in taxes, and I gotta put a little piece in bills, and I gotta put a little piece over here. So I'm trying to get the money. I'm not trying to be,
hmm
holding too much, doing this too much. I'm just trying to get mine and go.
So when you're in the so like when you pull the money out, I know they tax you, but like
No, you don't get taxed right then and there.
okay, okay.
Yeah. To be honest with you. So with the broker, all you do is you see the money in your account. Once it's in your account, there's going to be a little side part that says, withdraw your money. You
hmm
withdraw your money. You can link your bank account together.
hmm
They send the money. It depends on your bank. It takes like 3 days, I think, 3 or 2 days. It
hmm
depends on your bank. You know what I mean? Because they are the ones
hmm
that accept it and all that stuff. So, once you have it, it's in your bank. You just go to an ATM. Uh,
Got you.
but when you start making money, that's when I mean, you can't just run up 100,000 and not pay no taxes. Like
No, for sure. For
that's
sure.
where it's like maybe I should get somebody and get this. That's when you start making, if you make 10K for the month, it's not like, damn, I got 10K. It's like, all right, let me put two to the side for taxes. Let me put
hmm
this aside for bills, and then this what I got.
Got you, got you, got
That's
you,
the
got
real life of for it. It's not all this profit. He's making a bunch of. You got to pay taxes, and people that ain't paying taxes, you're
you.
gonna see
Yeah.
them on the news.
They gonna run your ass down. Got you, got you. Oh, I think that's pretty much it for now, man. Appreciate it, and like for real, dog. Like,
You good,
gotta
man?
keep practicing on this, man, and probably get you another Zoom call sometime next week. See where I'm at.
All right. Just send me a text and we'll set it up.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, you too.
All right, man. Stay up.